Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 3 captive screws from the battery cover plate. Insert the spudger into the slot and pop the battery cover plate free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip the device back over and open it up. And remove 2 screw covers from the trim piece. Remove 2 3mm screws from the trim piece. Gently insert the spudger between the trim piece and the back cover, and pry along the edges to pop the trim piece free. Remove 3 2.5mm screws from the LCD module. Slide the LCD module down, as shown, and lift it free from the back cover and lay it down. Peel back the foil covering the camera as best as you can. And gently use the spudger to pry it free from the adhesive underneath. Take care not to use too much force, as the camera can easily bend or snap. Peel the camera cable free from the LCD module back. Unplug the gyro sensor. And unplug the digitizer. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD module. Unwind the LCD cable from its grooves and remove the module. Replace the module, and wind the LCD cable back into its grooves. Plug the LCD cable into the new module. Plug the cable into the digitizer. And plug the cable into the gyro sensor. Reapply the camera cable to the back of the module and secure the camera back into place. Replace the module onto the back cover and slide it back into place. Replace the three 2.5mm screws back into the LCD module. Replace the trim cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 3mm screws back into the trim cover. And replace the screw coverings. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the battery cover plate and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the three captive screws in the battery cover plate.